Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lwandile here, the leader of Manikwe School. Manikwe School is actually a school that is dedicated to teaching programming by means of practically going through different problems, and each problem is solved in 3 different ways. So if you really need to work on your programming problem solving skills, then you're at the right place. But if you're looking forward to read if you wanna read a book's content, then you're at the wrong place, because right here what we're doing, we only solve problems. So today, what you're gonna be working on today, by the way, is exercise 1.5 from this textbook right here. This is the textbook we're gonna be using, and what we're working on is actually exercise 1.5. I'll also leave a link to this PDF in case you wanna have one. For now, let's look at the question. The question we're actually working on is number 1.5. So we are required to write a program that displays the following results. We're looking to display these results for this expression. Okay, let's jump onto our IDE. We're gonna create a project, call it exercise 1.5. Then we choose a location. And then we create a class. Since we're solving this from student A's perspective, we're gonna call our class exercise 1 underscore 5A, and then select a main method so that a compiler will generate it for us. Now that we came this far, what we gotta do is to give out a solution. Okay, let's write down what student A will do. Student A, okay, let's comment about student A's solution. Student A has a less user-friendly program. And you don't want to do this, you guys. I've noticed most of beginner students, they happen to care about the outputs and to care more about the output and care less about the user interface of the program. So what we gotta do here, I'm gonna comment this part. So step one, we gotta write down the order of precedence for the operators. So on the numerator, we've got multiple. On the numerator we gotta multiply, and then multiply again, and then subtract. told you guys I really suck when it comes to spelling. It's subtract, not subtract. Okay. Now on the denominator, we gotta subtract and then finally on the denominator, let's look at the question itself. Okay, finally on the denominator we're only gonna do one thing, which is to subtract. That's step number one. Step number two, what you wanna do on step number two is to surround each two operands and an operator with brackets based on the precedent. Okay, you wanna surround each two pairs of operands and an operator with brackets based on the precedents. This is a long comment, so it's better we make it a multi-line comment. Step number three. We have got to divide the numerator with the denominator in order to find the final answer. This is also a long comment, so I'm gonna make it a multi-line comment. So this is how we're gonna go about doing this. We're gonna deal with brackets first. So we're gonna have, let's see, it's gonna be 9.5 multiplied by 4.5. So we're gonna have 9.0 multiplied by 4.5. That's our first bracket. Our second bracket gonna contain, our second bracket will contain 2.5 multiplied by 3. So it's gonna be 2.5 multiplied by 3. And then lastly, our bracket have to contain our denominator, which is 45.5 minus 3. Am I right? Let me check it out. Minus 3.5. It's actually minus 3.5. Okay. So our numerator looks like this. Numerator In fact, I can copy and paste this. It's gonna be 9.5 multiplied by 4 minus 2.5 multiplied by 3. It's 9.0 multiplied by 4.5 minus 2.5 multiplied by 3. We put the whole thing inside the brackets. We're done with the numerator. Now we've got to deal with the denominator. Denominator. Simply put this is our denominator. Okay, now it is time to display our answer. So the final answer, null answer, is this. Numerator. Here you gotta pay more attention onto how I've laid out my brackets. You've got to find a right way to put your expression in brackets. So we've got this, the numerator divided by the denominator. Actually, this is our final answer. By the way, you can copy and paste this on your print statement. Actually, that is exactly what I will do. System.out.println. Or let's just go. This is pretty much it. So let's run and see what we get. This is our answer right here. Again, you guys, you see, I'm a human. So as a human, I'm capable of making errors. So in case you feel like I messed up somewhere, somehow, you gotta feel free to leave it on the comment below. So with that being said, let's see each other on the very next episode. Cheers, you guys. I'm gone.